couple seeking their dream home found the perfect apartment in Brooklin, São Paulo, and enlisted architect Vitoria Lacerda to make it their own. The 137 square meters apartment, chosen for its potential to serve as both a cozy residence and a place for entertaining, underwent significant renovations to match the couple's vision of an ideal living space. To optimize the apartment's layout, Lacerda made several key structural changes. One of the most notable modifications was the integration of the balcony with the living room. This not only created a more spacious and fluid area for socializing but also allowed for better natural light distribution throughout the space. Additionally, the master suite's shower was expanded to include a double shower, a specific request from the homeowners, enhancing the suite's luxury and functionality. The design's foundation was a gray color palette, chosen by the owners for its modern and elegant appeal. Architect Vitoria Lacerda harmonized this base with accents of green, blue, and terracotta, infusing the apartment with warmth and charm. This thoughtful blend of colors created a cohesive and inviting atmosphere throughout the home. The living room was designed to be the heart of the apartment, offering a comfortable and stylish space for gatherings. It seamlessly connects to the kitchen, which features a practical countertop, and the newly integrated balcony. The balcony is divided into two distinct areas, a gourmet section equipped with a barbecue and cooktop, and a relaxing area perfect for enjoying drinks, reading, or taking in the city view. In the master suite, Lacerda focused on creating a serene and organized space dominated by shades of gray. The suite includes ample closet space and a dressing table, with hangers that serve both functional and decorative purposes. The double shower in the bathroom is a standout feature, providing a touch of luxury and catering to the couple's specific desires. The son's room was designed with adaptability in mind, ensuring it could grow and change with him. Initially, colorful wallpaper was considered, but after discussions, a more flexible design was chosen. The room features blue carpentry and playful elements like a football field carpet, reflecting the boy's interests while allowing for future updates as he matures. Natural lighting is a key feature of the apartment, enhanced by a plaster ceiling with LED profiles and cassette air conditioning in the social areas. Indirect lighting is provided by sconces and lampshades, creating a warm and welcoming ambience. The selection of loose furniture, some pieces designed by Fernando Jaeger, adds splashes of color and complements the various textures in the apartment, including leather chairs, brick walls on the balcony, porcelain tiles, and stone in the kitchen. Vitoria Lacerda describes the style of the project as contemporary and timeless, thanks to the use of natural materials and a gray base.